What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today I'm taking one protein, the humble chicken thigh, and turning it into three beautiful, different, distinct, and delicious dishes. I'm making green chili chicken quesadillas, chicken street tacos, and some crispy rolled chicken tacos with the creamy, delicious filling. You're gonna love each one of them. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get started. We're gonna start by preheating our griddle to medium high heat, and then I'm gonna drizzle it with avocado oil. This high temperature cooking oil is great for using on the griddle. The chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, are going straight onto the hot griddle with the oil, and then we're seasoning the top with Fiesta Rub. I don't wanna flip these until they are nice and crispy and golden brown on the reverse side, and then hit them again with a little bit more of that Fiesta Rub. This is gonna give us all of the flavor that we need for each version of our tacos, and the flavors are gonna shine depending on what we use them for. I'm cooking my chicken thighs to about 170 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, letting them rest, and then dicing all of it into a pretty small bite-sized dice because we're gonna divide them up for three different uses. For the quesadilla filling, it's simply the Fiesta seasoned chicken thighs mixed with a can of fire roasted diced green chilies. For the creamy rolled taco filling, it's cream cheese and shredded cheese. And again, because both of these have the Fiesta Rub, they're getting all of those additional flavors of chili and lime, all of the super yummy things. The creamy rolled taco filling is getting spatula spread onto some corn tortillas. I like to use the enchilada size tortillas and roll them pretty tightly. You have to work a little bit quickly or the tortillas will dry out. Next, we're moving on to the quesadillas. More shredded cheese, that diced chili chicken going inside, a little bit more cheese on top, and then continue making those until they are totally finished. Back to the griddle. We've cleaned all of the chicken off of it so it's nice and ready to go. A little bit more of that avocado oil. We're gonna start by putting those rolled tacos seam side down so they get nice and crispy and seal closed. Then the quesadillas onto the grill and let that cheese start to melt. We're gonna keep things moving so that we don't have to worry about things burning, but if you keep it at that medium heat, you should be good to go. We're gonna start with our street corn sized tacos, top those with that diced chicken, and just let them heat up and get crispy and yummy on the grill. You can add cheese to these if you want as well and let the cheese melt onto the street tacos, but I feel like they're fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Then we pull off our rolled tacos and you can see those nice crispy crunchy edges on the outside. All of them have a beautiful golden brown crust and super yummy Fiesta Rub chicken inside. One seasoning, one cut of meat, three different dishes. I think that is a fantastic way to level up a super simple protein and turn it into multiple meals for your family. It's what we do at home. And now we got all the beautiful toppings that go on each one of these. I love the sour cream with the taquitos. My kids also love sour cream with the quesadilla. Actually, my kids just love sour cream. They put sour cream on everything. But we've also got some pico de gallo, which I think is great on the tacos because it gives you all of the street taco toppings, right? You get the lime, you get the jalapeno, you get the peppers, you get the onions. Really bright, fresh, and crisp because this doesn't have any of like the melty cheese on it. So we want that really bright, fresh flavor. And then of course you can top it with like some crumbled cheese like cotija or queso fresco, which I think adds a ton to the tacos themselves. Maybe, you know, a little squeeze of fresh lime isn't gonna hurt anybody's feelings. And then I'm a big lover of cilantro, so my tacos are gonna get a little extra of the cilantro on top. Gorgeous. Now I think the quesadillas are great as is, but of course, like I said, we go in with the sour cream. I think anytime you have something that you can dunk is a win in the kid department. Boom, 3 meals. I feel like a domestic queen. I don't know how else to say it. Okay, man. Now I've given myself the paradox of choice. Is the only problem is I have too many things that I would like to eat and I only get one bite for the camera. So we're gonna go in with these crispy taquitos first because the cheesy, creamy filling is calling my name. Oh man, oh so good. Oh, a big bite. If you make any one of these recipes, make sure to tag me on social media so I can see it and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero, or in this case, a backyard griddle hero. I believe in you. See you next time.